Macaroni lovers, this one's for you. Today we're making 3 delicious mac and cheese recipes. So whether you're craving comfort food or something desi with a twist, we've got you covered. Let's start with the ultimate comfort classic, baked mac and cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius and lightly grease a baking tray with some butter. Now in a pan, melt butter, then add maida and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. This helps get rid of that raw flour taste and builds a rich base. Now pour in the milk and add processed cheese. Keep stirring on medium heat until the cheese melts into a smooth creamy sauce. Now add your cooked macaroni into this cheese sauce and mix everything well so every piece is coated beautifully. Now transfer this into your baking tray and top it off with more processed cheese and a generous layer of mozzarella. Now bake this for about 30 minutes or until the top is golden, bubbly and absolutely irresistible. Now let's level things up with something bold, beer mac and cheese. Now in a pan, add some butter along with a little oil. This prevents the butter from burning. Now toast in chopped garlic and onions and saute until fragrant. Now add chopped chicken sausages into the pan and season with salt, pepper and chili flakes. Let this cook until slightly browned. In another pan, melt butter, add flour and cook on low flame while stirring continuously. Now slowly pour in milk and whisk well to avoid lumps. Now add the cooked sausages into the sauce and mix it well. Here comes the twist. Pour in some beer and whisk it in. Let it cook gently so all those flavors come together. Now add your boiled pasta and mix everything together. Now add grated cheddar cheese and let it melt into the sauce, making it rich and creamy. Finish it off with a sprinkle of chili flakes and pepper. And finally, for all the spice lovers, Chinese-style veg macaroni. Now heat oil in a pan and add chopped onions. Saute them till slightly soft. Now add chopped carrots and capsicum and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. They should stay slightly crunchy. Now season with salt, soy sauce, red chili sauce and a bit of tomato ketchup. Now add your parboiled macaroni and toast everything together really well. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes so all the flavors come together beautifully. And that's it. Your spicy, tangy, street-style Chinese macaroni is ready to serve hot. 3 completely different macaroni recipes, creamy classic, bold beer twist and spicy desi Chinese. So tell us which one are you trying first in the comment section, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.